Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to send multiple emails using Outlook. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and open up my browser, or if you want to open up the app, just go ahead and download the app, right? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click the plus button right here at the below right corner, and you're going to see a pop-up window to initiate a new message. So I'm going to hit 2 right here, and I'm going to add an email, right? Let's have an example. Amar Adam, right? 12 at Hotmail, which was my previous email, right? Then hit right here done at the below right corner or the bottom right corner, and then type another email, right? Make sure that is correct, right? So you can add more than one email, right? And then add the content of the message, right? If you have something to type right here to people, right? Or something like that. In my case, I'm going to leave it out and add the subject and the content of that message, which is more important to me. If you want to insert inline, like a photo, video, whatever, or attach a link or attach a file, just go ahead and do that. All right. So basically that's it. And then hit the forward message at the top right after you finish. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.